Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've decided that you no longer want to use Cash App, deleting your account is a straightforward process. However, before you close your account, there are a few important steps you need to complete to avoid losing access to your money. First, open Cash App on your phone and make sure your balance is zero. If you still have money in your account, tap on your balance and select Cash Out to transfer the remaining funds to your linked bank account. It's very important to do this before closing the account, because once it's deleted, you won't be able to access those funds again. Next, if you have a Cash App card, make sure to deactivate it. You can do this by going into the app, selecting the card section, and turning off the card. This prevents any future transactions from being attempted after your account is closed. Once your balance is cleared and your card is handled, go to your profile icon in the top corner of the home screen. Scroll down and tap on Support. From there, select something else, then scroll until you find the option for Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, you'll see the option to close your Cash App account. Tap on that option and follow the prompts to confirm. Cash App will ask you to confirm your decision, and once you do, your account will be permanently closed. You may receive a confirmation message or email stating that your account has been successfully deleted. Keep in mind that closing your account is permanent. You will lose your transaction history within the app, and your cash tag will no longer be active. If you decide to use Cash App again in the future, you will need to create a brand new account. Deleting your Cash App account only takes a few minutes if you follow the correct steps. Just remember to withdraw your money first, deactivate your card, and carefully confirm the closure request inside the app. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.